I'd like to thank Paul O'Connor for his very generous donation also to our work with homeless people. Paul runs the Paul O'Connor Car and Garage Sales in Dungarvan, County Waterford, and we really appreciate his support for our work this Christmas. This calendar, produced by Eamon Coyle, has already raised €7,500 for charity. And I really appreciate Eamon's work in producing this beautiful calendar and in trying to distribute it. It makes a wonderful present for people maybe who cannot return to Ireland for this Christmas, and is a very, very valuable and beautiful present that one can make.